In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a template in Figma. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to leverage the full potential of Figma templates to enhance your designs. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Figma website. Once you're on the homepage, if you don't have an account yet, I'd recommend signing up, but if you already have an account, just hover over to the top right corner and click on log in. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll see several options to log in. For this tutorial, we're going to proceed by clicking on Continue with Google, which is a common and quick way to access your Figma account, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. After you've clicked on Continue with Google, be patient and wait for a moment until your Gmail account appears. This is just Figma authenticating your account, which should just take a second or two. Once you see your Gmail account, click on it. That click will direct you to your Figma dashboard, your central hub for accessing files, projects, and of course templates. When you've reached your dashboard, move your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find Explore Community. Click on it and you'll be transported into Figma's vast and diverse community page. This is where users from all over the world share their creative work, and it's also where we're going to find and use templates. In the search bar, type templates and then hit enter. This will generate a list of available templates, neatly organized and ready for you to explore. You'll see a variety of options ranging from UI kits to wireframes and everything in between. Browse through the selection until you find a template that suits your needs or sparks your interest. Once you've spotted a template you want to use, simply click on it. You'll then be taken to the templates detail page where you can learn more about the template and the creator behind it. From there you can start using the template directly in your projects. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to use a template in Figma, enhancing not only your design process but also introducing you to the creativity and resources within the Figma community. Thank you for watching and happy designing.